How to deactivate Instagram account, new method. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account with the new method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to actually deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, then tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then from here you can simply go to the option called Account Center, and from Account Center you can simply go to this option known as Personal Details. And once you go to Personal Details, over here you should be able to see these sort of options. So let us wait until this page loads up first of all. Then you'll find one of the options here known as Account Ownership and Control. Select Account Ownership and Control, select Deactivation or Deletion, and from here you want to simply make sure to select your Instagram account and select the option called Deactivate Account. Enter your password and your Instagram account will get successfully deactivated. This way you can deactivate Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.